So guys, hawak na natin dito si Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Ito yung pinaka-premium na meron ni Huawei. And yeah, it looks and feels really good compared sa 70 Pro and sa 70 base variant. So check lang natin ang kanyang presyo. So this is going to be the price point ng Mate 70 Pro Plus. Yeah. And taking a good look at it, medyo iba. Mas malaki konti ang kanyang camera ring dito sa likod. Taking a good look dito sa kanya, looks good. And magandang color dito, this one. No, matte finish likod niya, medyo slippery konti. But overall, the feel is really nice. Premium na premium hold ko dito sa kanya. And taking a look dito sa kanya, curved din ang kanyang sides. Metal frames, shiny siya, so maraming fingerprints for sure. Dalawang speaker sa ibabaw, isa na speaker sa ilalim. And this features the Harmony OS Next. And yeah, expect mo naman a really good connection kasi meron din siya satellite connection, which is definitely wala sa Pilipinas. And it has triple camera punch hole nga pala, tatlo. Look at it guys. So basically, you ask me, magandang kanyang design. And if you want to take a quick look dito, picture natin yeah. Okay, you'll see details. Ayan guys, kita na yung details. Yan ganun ka sharp ang details dito sa Mate 70 Pro Plus. So if you're interested to know once na lumabas sa Pilipinas, i-review natin si Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, follow me for more.